Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, perfect. I'm going to share my screen because I have a question for you.
Yeah, please.
So, when I go to test site,
Hmm. Yeah.
what?
Test site, yep.
Okay, now it's working. It was not working just a few minutes ago. Let me look at this. What the heck? Well,
Sometimes
I was going
these
to ask
things
you. It
happen.
had some white space at the bottom, and now it doesn't. Let me open it up on my phone and see what happens.
Okay. Actually, the cache file happens these things of problem, but if you wait a while, this will solve automatically. Okay.
Hang on.
Yeah,
Um, Okay, so this is what it looks like on my phone. Do you see the white space at the bottom?
I can see your screen, but I think this is your desktop PC.
Did you say you can see it or you can't?
Yeah, I can see. I can see.
So what's causing the white space?
Are you sharing your phone or your PC?
Okay, so you said you should have told me you couldn't see it. I'm going to share it now. You see this image of my
Okay,
phone?
okay. Now I can see your phone. Yeah, I can see your phone now. So there
Do
is
you see this
white
white
space.
space at
Yeah,
the bottom?
yeah. That is the white space. So this is only causing the mobile or the responsive things. Okay. So you need to fix up the responsive things. Can you go back to the previous screen?
Yes.
Mhm. Is it
This is the one you want
is
to
it
see,
this?
right?
No, the previous screen, the same screen you're sharing.
You want to see the editor?
Yeah, no, not the editor, but I want to see the full screen actually. You just shared the entire screen. I need you to share the full screen. Yeah,
Like this one?
yeah, like this one, but the full screen actually. Can you reshare your screen with the full entire, select the entire mode?
Okay, I don't know what's wrong, but I'll just reshare everything.
Okay, select the entire screen. Yeah.
Is this what you need?
No, not this one. Let me, can you see my screen? Let me
No.
share here my one. Wait. Yeah, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay, so you can share my whole screen with every tabs I open. Yep. So I
Oh,
can
wait,
see
why do
your
you need to
full
see the
screen.
tabs?
Actually, there is a button that switch from desktop to mobile mode. Okay, there is a button to using the responsive things. I can see the
Oh, I
responsive
understand.
things
Okay,
and yeah,
I will do that now.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, this is the one, right?
That's it. Can I go to the editor? Yeah, testing. Can you see near the home page section, home button? Yeah, the mobile. Click on that. This is your mobile screen. Now you can edit these things. You can switch down this panel to the the bottom. At the bottom, go to the bottom. Yeah, this is your screen. So you can switch or you can remove these things as you need.
I can't understand what you're saying. Switch what or remove what?
Okay, you can yeah. Go down, and this is your screen, full screen. I think if you save these things like this, you won't see any white space there.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to
Yeah.
test it right now.
Now test. Yeah,
Actually, I guess
Test it.
I can only test it on my phone, but I'm going to do that right now. Let's see.
Test this. I think you should test it. Click the test site again.
No, I still see the white space. I bet it just takes some time to upload.
Oh,
Time
yeah.
to save, I should say. Well, let me ask you another thing. So do you see right here, it's not showing all the columns?
That's not responsive yet. You need to responsive the things.
How
So
do
how
you
you
think it
wanna
should look on the phone?
rearrange these things for mobile? You wanna rearrange these things for mobile?
What did you say?
Actually, I want to know how you want to look the things or want to see the things on your mobile screen. Do you have the
Yeah, that's
design?
no, I'm asking you how you think it should look.
Okay. So you can make things like one in every line actually. Like the lawmaker will be in one line, then the chamber uh, to the next line. You can use these things, or
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
you can use a collapsible button that you wanna click on the button, the chamber will open. If you click on the lawmaker, that the chamber will open. Okay, the lawmaker will open then. So that is called the collapsible button or collapsible text. Okay. You can use the collapsible text. You can click on the lawmaker, the collapsible button will open the lawmaker section.
You know,
Uh,
I'm still getting the white space on mobile. Maybe it just
can I
Wix
see
just
it?
takes a little
Can I
while
see it,
to up.
please? No.
Yeah, I'll take a
If
screenshot on
you
my mobile
if you
device.
visit 1 second, if you visit now instantly from your mobile, you can see the update because you didn't publish it yet. Okay. When you publish it, you can see from any of your device. But you can see from here, if you click the test site, you can see the live update only from this device only. Okay. So if you do these things again, okay. Did you publish it?
Yes, so I'm going to now pull it up
Okay.
on my phone.
Okay. Now,
Yeah, you're right. You're right. This looks much better.
so after any changes, if you click save and click on test site, you can only see from this device. Okay.
Okay,
But
awesome.
if you click
Avijit,
on publish,
that was really helpful. Thank you so much.
that's why I told you to share your screen or give me the
Makes
editing
sense.
panel.
Makes sense. Okay, if I run into another problem, I will call you again. Thank you so much for your help.
Oh, anytime, anytime. Thank you.
Thanks again. Take care.
Yeah. Don't